Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to create a video in inVideo. Alright, so inVideo is one of these AI apps that basically allows you to create a video, off the strength of a topic, right? So inVideo is pretty dope because it allows you to use stock, uncopyrighted images on your account. Or unless you have the plus account like I do here, you're able to do more things with it. So let's explain. So at the bottom here, it shows create short video, make explainer video, create animated film, right? So first we're gonna just create a short film, right? Create a fast pace, right? Let's do save video for YouTube short, right? We'll do YouTube shorts about we're just gonna do about cars. We're gonna do cars. Um I guess I gotta type it. Is that what's going on here? What the heck is going on with it? Oh my god. Okay, I gotta type it. What's going on? Oh, because my keyboard. What the heck is wrong with this thing? Okay, cars. About fast cars. Yeah. Stock images, voice actor. Use any females. Do that. All right, here we go. Submit. And next. All right. So now what invoice or inVideo app does, it's going to analyze it. It's going to think fast cars in 60 seconds. There you go. Right? Just off the strength of this just saying that. So now inVideo AI is going to make us a video, right? So it's going to make us a video and it's going to let us know when the video is done. So I'm going to pause the video, and when it's done, we're going to get back on here and see the finishing touches here. Okay, so now after it's done preparing, it's going to say stock image. It's going to say rev up fast cars in 60 seconds. I do have generative media, but we're not going to do that right now. We're just going to do stock for free like everyone else can do. We're going to do 30 seconds. We're going to do car enthusiasts, or we're going to do YouTube shorts. We're going to hit continue, and it's going to make the video now. We're going to hit notify when ready, and let's pop some popcorn. All right, so now the video is done, and let's press play now. All right, so that was pretty cool. I'm not sure if y'all could have actually heard that, but um, yeah, that was pretty cool. Hold, let's try that one more time here. Okay, I don't see it. All right, but no, that's pretty cool. So if you wanted to, you could edit the video here. You can say like make jump skips, make jump skips. Let's see. Make jump skips and might make some edits in here. The preview's at 480p, so I don't know, you know what I'm saying? But now as you can see, it's gonna make some jump skips now. There you go. Now it's making transitions now. This stuff is crazy. You see that? But yeah, and then you can download it and go on your way. But that's in video. So that's how you do a free basic stock media, a quick way to make a video just off the strength of coming up with a random topic from going from here. Let's get it, let's go. I have more videos on the way about in video. So yeah, definitely just hold off on that. But yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.